Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 12th, and today we're going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So, I still think that most likely on the monthly time frame, this is going to end up continuing up and either be an ABC or possibly at 1, 2, 3. I think it's more likely to be an ABC because to me that looks like three waves up. This looks like three waves down. It looks like it's forming that WXY pattern, which I do think will end up taking out the high of wave 4 and maybe continuing the downtrend once that's complete. But we are talking about the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make this wave up. I still think it's a wave A. I still think this move down is a wave B, and I still think that once this wave B is over, which I think it may already be over, I do think it is going to go up and make that big wave C or possibly a 1, 2, and 3. Even if it is a 1, 2, 3, it's exactly the same strategy as an ABC. We're looking for longs in a wave 3, whether it's a wave 3 or a wave C. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this ABC of wave B is already complete. This is very overlapping, but I think it is like a messy correction, a messy trend because the Aussie is very weak as of lately. I still think this move down is going to end up making a higher low, probably at the 78%, and I still think it's very likely to just keep on trending up in that wave C or possibly in a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, what's important to notice here is that it made a lower high. It definitely looks like it made three waves up. It looks like it's trying to go down right now. So we do have to remember that today is CPI news for the US dollar. So whatever's happening now is most likely going to be setting itself up for the news later. I still feel like it needs to go down and touch this 78%, which I don't know if we have time for that today before the news comes out, so maybe it will end up making a higher low and just ending up going up like that at the news. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I guess there's definitely a possibility because this looks like a trend that it's a wave A. This definitely looks like a three-wave pattern for a wave B, and we may now be going down for like a wave C, which makes a little more sense, and this over here is probably an uptrend. So if the news comes out and it looks something like this, then I would say the possibilities are extremely high that we're going to see an impulsive move up, we're going to see a break of structure, and it's most likely just going to end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.